All right, fellas, back from Calgary. Brand new inflatable jet boat, Otter Inflatable jet boat. Spent about 2 or 3 days putting it together, customizing it, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. We'll start with the bottom here. Anti-puncture material, about 6 layers of PVC, super tough stuff, bouncing off rocks, beaver dams, whatever you want. Removable windshield, I like this feature too. Just clips onto the seam here and rolls up onto the bar if you don't want it up, so that's super handy. We also put the steering column and throttle in, so the steering column just goes off the windshield bar here, and then we put the steering wheel in the middle there where it's centered. Throttle hooked up to the side, same bar, and then from there we can go to the seats. Got bench seats in here for now, but you can pretty much put whatever seats you want. Foldable, adjustable seats all go on these benches, no problem. And the boat is 15.7 feet long, if anyone was wondering. We move to the back here. I've got a Yamaha 6040 outboard jet. This thing pushes this boat pretty fast. It's a good time. Yamaha 6040 jet on the back. Pushes this boat super nicely. Rides super good in the water. Goes about 40 to 50K, top notch. And yeah, that's the inside there. Bit of a mess, I've been working on it, tightening everything up, but I think she is ready to go in mint now, fellas. So let's take this thing out to the water, see how she looks. Nice rainy evening, muddy drive in, boat's looking good. Out of Dinosaur Lake here, the first test run. Ooh, inflatable jet boat. Look at that thing. Ooh. First time in the water. So these boats here, they have anti-puncture material on the bottom. It's tunneled for the jet, and then it's a bunch of PVC layer. Super tough stuff, lightweight. I cannot wait to get going in this thing. This is wicked. Okay, here we are. Pretty wicked looking.